Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create a super easy minimalistic holiday look using all Merit beauty products. So this look is going to be all about healthy glowing skin, a bold lip, and a clean eye. Really super simple. I know we're all so busy during the holiday season that it is nice to be able to just do a quick, simple makeup routine, but will make you feel like you are in the holiday spirit. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look using all Merit beauty products, then let's go ahead and get started. So before I get started, I wanted to give you a quick heads up that unfortunately this little holiday set has already sold out, but I wanted to say thank you to Merit for sending this to me. But we're going to go ahead and create a full face of Merit beauty products that I already own and love. So we will create a simple holiday look that is similar to the actual. I am so excited because today we're going to create quick and easy holiday makeup using Merit Beauty. So unfortunately what I'm about to show you is sold out, but I am going to do a full face because you can buy these products separately. This little box right here is the Fete Edition, and basically it is going to create a super simple holiday face. And this set included everything you needed to create a super simple holiday face, and in it has a few of my favorite products. So as many of you know, I am a huge fan of this Merit Great Skin. I've been talking about it the past few months and I'm literally obsessed with this serum. So I would actually recommend getting the big size because it is that good. In this little set, it came with the Great Skin. It also came with the mascara from Merit. It has this really pretty lip color in Apertif, which is going to be a gorgeous red that was supposed to be universal for all skin types. And it has the amazing highlighter in Bounce. Again, you can buy this separately, which is amazing. If you haven't tried the highlighter yet, highly recommend. And then the natural brow pomade. So I am going to use a full face of Merit along with some of the other products today. But you know what? We're just going to go ahead and create a look using some of the full-size products anyhow. So this is going to be the perfect makeup for when you want to feel put together, a little bit festive, but you don't have a lot of time, or you just want to go with something a bit more minimalist, which I do love about Merit. So my obsession with the Merit Great Skin is real. So this is a bi-phase serum and it adds such a beautiful glow on the skin. It's perfect for this time of year because it's going to infuse your skin with extra hydration. And I just like to take a pump. It's nice and watery here. And I'm going to just go ahead and pat that into the skin. And automatically my skin says, thank you. I was feeling a little bit dry and parched. And you can use this as part of your skincare routine. I've been using it a bit in my skincare routine, but also as a makeup primer because it just gives you such a nice little glow. And this has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, as well as cacao seed extract, and that is going to be a caffeine rich antioxidant that will help stimulate blood flow and give you a little plumping effect. So I truly feel like that does work and my skin absolutely loves this product. So I always like to use this, and then we're going to come in with the Merit, and this is their complexion stick, and this is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Foundation and Concealer Stick in one. And I love this because it's an all-in-one product. I'm going to use it for my concealer as well as my foundation. It just glides on so easy, and it's kind of a unique product, to be honest. So I am going to just give myself some stripes. You don't need a lot, and it is kind of amazing how you will see my skin transform in just a second. So I'm just kind of striping this on. I have this in the shade Bisque. I believe this is medium with neutral undertones, and I'm going to simply buff this into the skin. This is a buildable, lightweight complexion stick that can be used as a foundation or a concealer for easy, natural-looking coverage on the go. It's going to provide you with medium coverage, a natural finish, and it includes fatty acids that are going to condition skin and lock in moisture, as well as sea daffodil extract that diminishes the looks of dark spots and pigmentation. And this product is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. And I am somebody that loves a good cream foundation, and I have found that this is one of the best because it really does look very natural on the skin. Hoping you can see. It just sort of meshes in seamlessly, but you don't really need powder to set this. It's not one of those kind of cream products where your skin can kind of eat it. I just find that it blurs my imperfections, and it's just really easy to use. So I love those kind of all-in-one products. Concealer, foundation, you're good to go. So now that we've evened out the skin, I want to add a little color back in, and I'm going to be using one of the Merit Cream blushes. This one is in Beverly Hills. I'm going to give myself a little bit of a flush, and I'm just going to put this on, and I'm just going to kind of pop this on. And for a little definition on the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of this blush, and I'm just going to pat that. We're going to use the highlighter on my eyes, but I want to give myself just a little flush, and that just gives a little continuity to my face. Next, I'm going to take the gorgeous highlighter in Bounce. This is so pretty. Let me give you a little swatch. I just love the way that this looks on my eyes and cheeks, to be honest. It is so pretty. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to put some of this highlighter on. This is going to give you that beautiful kind of glowy glass skin look. And of course, the ingredients in Merit products. This is a clean beauty brand, and it has skin loving ingredients. So it's also one of those makeup brands that you can feel good about using. So I like to use this Bounce. Is that so pretty? Anytime I use this highlighter, I always get compliments on my skin, which of course you know I love. So then what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of this highlighter right on my lids, and it just adds this really pretty kind of natural flush right there. We're going really simple. Then I'm going to use the volumizing pomade here, and I'm just going to kind of brush up my brows. You always want to define your brows here, and this is really great, especially for myself who is not great with brows. I can just use this product and kind of define and brush them into place. Then I pulled out my Merit. This is the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara, and we're gonna really coat my lashes with this mascara. And this has one of the brushes that I prefer. Just love this. And I'm gonna put my eyeballs on. I'm like literally getting so much length from this mascara. Okay, we've got a nice clean looking eye with some lashes. That mascara is very lengthening, really like it. And then we're going to pop on a holiday red lip. This is sort of like minimalist makeup, but also sort of the French chic look where they kind of have nice glowy complexion, very clean eye, and then a pop of a red lip. I'm feeling very chic right now, so I'm going to pop on this lipstick in Apertif. Okay, here is this Apertif shade. This is in the Signature Lipsticks from Merit, but it looks like this may just be included in this little set that is sold out. So I'm going to go ahead and put on one of my favorite Merit lipsticks, but I just wanted to show you this little pop of red. This is a quick, easy holiday look, but I'm going to take this off and we're going to put on one of my favorites. This one is in Fashion. And if you haven't tried these lipsticks yet and you prefer a nice sort of sheer lipstick that is hydrating like myself, I think you might really like the Merit Signature lipstick formula. So I have this in the shade Fashion, which is a soft berry tone. Very much right in my wheelhouse that I love, and this still is going to constitute a holiday face. So I am going to put this on. And this is the shade Fashion. And then I have one more option for you. I love a good lip oil, and Merit has these beautiful tinted lip oils, and I have this one in Sangria. I bet you're not surprised. This is another deep berry shade. So I'm going to take this off real quick and then we'll slick on the lip oil just to show you a few different options. I think you get the gist. Simple, easy, glowy complexion, clean eye with some lashes, and then a bold lip. And then let me put on Sangria. Isn't that a pretty color? This is Sangria. So if you like a little bit more of a glossy tinted lip oil, I think you might love this one. And then bam, you are ready to go. And I actually am going to a friend's holiday brunch right now. And I feel like this is the perfect little simple holiday look. So I hope you enjoyed this natural minimalist look using Merit products today. I apologize that the holiday set is sold out, but keep your eyes peeled. Maybe it will come back. Otherwise, I would tell you just pick up the full-size products. I don't think you're going to regret it, and I definitely recommend the Merit Great Skin. I am pretty much obsessed with this Glow Serum. Okay guys, I am off to the party. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will be back with another video soon.